Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with a matching sequence so captions align exactly with your media. Set frame size and frame rate to match the source. This prevents timing drift. Once done, import your footage and audio, then drag them onto the timeline and trim to the segment you'll caption first. Make sure to open Window, then Text, then Captions. This creates a captions track where you'll add captions. You're not previewing yet. You're establishing a stable timeline and the captions panel to type into as you play. Now create your actual caption blocks and sync them to speech. Choose Open Captions if you need styling control or subrip for simple export. Add a caption block in the Captions panel, type the dialogue, then set start and end times by dragging edges or using the J, K, L keys for frame-accurate nudges. Make sure to split long lines so viewers can read quickly. Once you align a few blocks to the waveform, it gets faster, and you'll repeat this rhythm across the timeline. Finish by styling and exporting your captions so they look right on screen. Use the Captions panel to set font, size, color, and background opacity, then preview in the program monitor to confirm positioning. When exporting, choose Embedded Captions, separate. SRT or burned-in captions via Export Media and the Captions tab. If captions drift or timing skips, make sure the sequence frame rate matches your source, render the timeline, and clear Premiere's media cache if problems persist. This usually solves sync and playback glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.